Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Stasia here. So for today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to clean your dirty makeup brushes. So first you're going to need some type of bowl. I like to use this pan right here that I purchased from Dollar Tree, which was obviously just $1. Now please do not judge me. I know mine is really dirty on the inside, but I use it specifically to clean my makeup brushes along with one of these little scrubby pads right here. Now I purchased mine from BH Cosmetics, but I'm sure you can find these just about anywhere. Now, you'll need three main ingredients, one being some type of antibacterial soap. I love to use Dawn's dish detergent. It works amazing for cleaning makeup brushes. Next, you're going to need some type of oil. Olive oil is great, okay? But if you do not have any on hand, it's perfectly fine to use Crisco oil. Trust me, I've used both. There's really no difference. Now, you're going to just add a few drops of this. A little bit goes a very long way. Trust me again on that. Then you're going to add you some water. Warm, hot, really does not matter, honey. It's solely up to you. Next, you're just going to rinse off your brush. This is just to remove any of the excess residue that may just be lingering, left behind before you dip it into your solution. Then once you dip, you begin to scrub. Now, eventually you will see that it starts to lather. Mine is about to start lathering about now. But if that does not happen, it's okay. Just rinse it off again, dip it back into your solution and try again. Basically, it all depends on how dirty your brush is. Honestly, some brushes will start lathering immediately, while others it seem like, oh my God, girl, this ain't even gonna work, okay? But yeah, so now I'm just going to rinse it off. Now I want y'all to see how clean this brush got just from doing one wash. Like, this is amazing, okay? Now I always go back in for a second wash, and this time I do not dip it into the solution. As you can see, second wash without oil. Do not dip it into the solution. Just simply put a little bit of dish detergent back on a brush and make sure you clean it. This is just to remove any of the excess oil that may be left behind on your brush from dipping it into the solution, if that makes sense. So now moving on to one of my powder brushes, because that was a foundation brush. Now this is a powder brush, which is slightly, well, as y'all can see, real dirty. But yeah, I'm going to repeat steps 4 through 7, which is just rinse, dip, and scrub. And I'm going to definitely, I always do 2 washes, at least 2 washes on each brush. Make sure you get it real good, and also clean your handles, okay? It's very important to clean your handles as well. But yeah, that's pretty much it, you guys. I actually found this method out over a year ago, just researching on YouTube how to clean your beauty blenders, and oh my God, my mind was blown. I cannot remember the girl name. Like I said, it was so long ago, but she shared this method, and I thought to myself, wow, if it works for beauty blenders, I'm more than positive it'll work for my makeup brushes as well. And it obviously does. So I was so happy to share this with you guys. Now, as y'all can see, one half of this brush is supposed to be off-white, like a beige color, while the other half is supposed to be brown. Y'all, this brush is so freaking dirty. Now, with this brush right here, being as though it's so freaking dense, it holds so much product in it. It's my favorite foundation brush. This is actually the Juvia's Place foundation brush. It's sold separately. It's not sold in the set like the rest of their brushes. It is just amazing. So if you do not have it, please go purchase it. But anyway, it's just so hard to clean because it's so dense. Now, this brush I do have to wash about 3 times, sometimes 4. But in the end, it looks brand new, and you guys will see that in a second as well. Now, I'm not going to show y'all obviously all the different brushes that I wash, but eventually I'll be showing you how to clean one of I'll be showing you how I clean one of my beauty blenders, just so you guys can get the feel of that as well. It's pretty much the same method. You're just going to be massaging it instead of using a little scrubber thing. But yeah, so that wraps up this video, you guys. I really hope that y'all enjoyed it. I hope that this method works for you. If it does, if you try it, just give me a huge thumbs up, as well as comment down below in the comment section and let me know how it worked for you. Yeah, see what I mean? Like, oh my God. It looks brand new, right? But yeah, again, I thank you guys so much. Please do not forget to like, comment, and definitely subscribe. And I look forward to seeing you guys in the next one.